After alerting the lock, press and hold the administrator fingerprint to the sensor. The light will flash blue along with 2 beeps. Continue to hold. The light will then blink blue and red. Continue to hold until the light blinks red. Release the fingerprint. Press and hold the administrator fingerprint to the fingerprint pad. A red light and 1 long beep indicates a successful deletion. Any fingerprint will now unlock the shackle. A red light with 4 beeps indicates an unsuccessful deletion. All stored fingerprints remain stored.